All right, the goats have eaten up most of the lower branches of the trees and all the grass out here. So I'm about to move this Premier fencing to the other side so that they have some more green space. Here we go. Now that I have the fencing down, I'm just walking along the perimeter that we have on the road just to make sure that all the line is still up. You can see the dogs have a clear path of where they run the whole front of the property, chasing animals, cars, and whatever else they can find. Front was good. Now we're going to the side. See how this side looks. I'm just doing this to make sure that the line's still up. Usually there are no problems. Check the whole back, made sure no limbs had fallen on the line, and that no animals had tripped over it and knocked it down. And now I'm going to check this last side, and then we'll be good to go to hook up the Premier. A couple of nosy neighbors coming to see what I'm doing. Hi, babies! Nosy neighbors. Alright, move the Premier fence so everybody can get at this green clover today. Go on, ladies. Come on. Come on. And they can start attacking the weeds in that flower bed and get it ready for me to plant. That's a little chicken tractor for babies when they come. And I had to block off their fermented feed so the chickens aren't trying to get in that while they're out here digging around. And that's it. And I hear that line a popping, so it's electrified. Come on! Come on! Come on! Yummy, yummy! Clarice and Mr. Gray and Alice figured it out. Now Darla and little Zippy gotta figure out how to come out of the coop and into this area. Oop, there's my finger. Cameo.
He's a good boy, JP. He's a good boy.
Everybody's out here enjoying their clover and dried leaves and weeds. All the chickens came out to get some fresh clover too.